Simhachalam, Visakhapatnam. Myself, P. Suryavardhan, my teammates Hemant, Vinay. Today we want to tell about my project Voice Controller Robot.
Introduction. This project is about making a robot that moves using voice commands. You tell the robot to go forward, backward, left, right or stop just by speaking. It works using a Bluetooth connection between a smartphone and an Arduino board. When you speak into your phone, it sends the command to the Arduino through Bluetooth. The Arduino needs the command and controls the motors of the robot to move in the right direction. This project shows how technology can make robots respond and human voice using easy. ఇంకా అవుతుంది.
The Arduino Uno is the main part that controls the robot. A Bluetooth module SC05 is connected to the Arduino to receive commands from the phone. The smartphone has a voice control app like Bluetooth voice control app for Arduino. When you say go forward, the app changes your voice into text and sends to the Arduino using by Bluetooth. The Arduino reads the command and sends signals to the motor driver module L293D. The motor driver module the two DC motors in the correct direction. The robot moves forward, backward, right, left and stops based on your command.
Two commands. Go forward, robot moves straight. Go backward, robot moves in reverse. Turn left, robot turns left. Turn right, robot turns right. Stop, robot stop moving.
Main components used: Arduino Uno, the brain of the robot; HC05, Bluetooth module, reverse voice commands for the smartphone; motor drivers L293D, control the movement of the motors; DC motors 2, use it to move the robot wheels; robot chase and wheels, the body and base of the robot; battery 9 volts or 12 volts, powers the circuit and motors; smartphone sends the voice commands using an app; jumper wires for all connections.
Advantages: the robot can be controlled just by speaking, no buttons or remote needed. It works wirelessly using Bluetooth, easy to build and low cost. Helps students learn about Arduino, Bluetooth and robotics. Can be upgraded for automatic navigation. Conclusion: the voice control robot system with Bluetooth is a simple and smart project that moves based on your voice commands by using Arduino, Bluetooth and DC motors. This robot can forward, backward, right, stop or easily. It is a great project for beginners to understand wireless control and robotics. It is future. It can be improved by adding sensors or using Wi-Fi lot for longer range sound.
Thank you everyone.